Are you looking to make money online? Then you're at the right place. We will be telling you a way to earn $2,973 by writing articles and content step by step. That's right! And the best thing is that you don't need any technical skills or money to get started with it. So be sure to watch every second of this video so that you don't miss out on anything important, because the method we will be discussing today has some complicated aspects. The first thing you want to do is head to moneypantry.com. It is a personal finance blog founded in 2013 by Saeed Darabi to go live and look at achieving some top-of-the-line content for their platform. Money Pantry is headquartered in Florissant, Missouri. If you like writing about personal finance where you help people make and save money, Money Pantry is looking to pay guest writers like you. They pay you up to $150 per post. Most websites on the internet do not want to help you make money, they're just in it for themselves. Getting everything rolling with Money Pantry isn't hard in any way. Something you should know how to do is type, as this occupation requires composing abilities. You will need a PC in addition to an internet connection and the capacity to move toward industry subjects with various offset requests. To start writing for the Money Pantry blog, scroll until you spot the Contribute interface at the lower part of their webpage, prompting their chance. You'll simply utilize their business email, editor@moneypantry.com, to send them an HTML form of your piece. You should invoice the email subject as Money Pantry Guest Post, so they know precisely who you are and how to answer your inquiry. The Money Pantry site also states you can't acknowledge any content shipped off them that doesn't have both the subject title and HTML designs included. It isn't challenging to check any of the components you send without it. The editor-in-chief at the Money Pantry additionally needs anyone interested in bringing in cash for their work to keep note that their period to get to content is 1 to 14 days before it is sent off and distributed. When your content has been submitted to the Money Pantry website, it will then return a payment that is either $150 or less, contingent upon how long you need to spend on the piece. Something referenced on the moneypantry.com site is that a considerable lot of the users there, for the most part, like top-to-bottom ads. So if this is the very thing you make, it would mean more money. Posts should be at least 700 words, yet they progress towards 1,000 to 2,000 words. Payment for the content is sent to you through PayPal when the content goes live on the Money Pantry website. If you don't have a PayPal account already, don't worry, because we're about to share how you can create one. Setting yourself up with a PayPal account is direct. Regardless, there's another thing to it other than just entering your name and email address. You should be familiar with 2 or 3 stages and necessities. You'll require a few things to establish a standard. You'll need to give your information, for instance, your full name, address, phone number, and email. Similarly, you'll need to relay your record so they can take a look at the card, the visa, or monetary equilibrium. Once in a while, PayPal may, in like manner, demand you of proof of ID. To set up your PayPal account, visit PayPal's site and click the Sign Up button in the upper right corner of this screen. Then you just press the record type you want, personal account or business account. Pick Next when done. You'll be drawn closer to incorporate your telephone number. You'll wrap it up with your name, email address, and mystery state starting then and into the foreseeable future. Hit continue and wrap up the resulting structure by picking your personality and forming in your area and other expected data. PayPal will make your record when you hit continue. Nonetheless, you're pretty far from done as of now. With that out of the way, let's discuss the earning process on moneypantry.com. The first thing you have to do is head to moneypantry.com/get-paid-to-write/. You will be taken to a new webpage. Here you will see a list of different websites you can write content for and make money. As you scroll down, you will see several writing jobs you can apply for. For this video, we want you to click on Vibrant Life. Clicking on it will take you to a new website. Here you will see all the guidelines you need to follow to write articles for them. Make sure to read them attentively. Once you do that, you will be provided with a topic you will have to write your article on. Before beginning to write, you might consider researching the topic thoroughly to ensure the best possible results. Once you write and submit the article, you'll get paid. This is the case with every other website Money Pantry allows you to write for. The Money Pantry site also states they can't recognize any content transported off them that doesn't have both the subject title and HTML designs included, as it is easy to check any of the parts you send without it. Moreover, the editor-in-chief at the Money Pantry needs anybody with any premium whatsoever in getting cash for their work to keep note that their period to get to content is 114 days before it is shipped off and circulated. When your content has been submitted to the Money Pantry website, it will then, at that point, return you a payment equivalent to or lower than $150, depending on how lengthy you want to spend on the piece. Something referred to on the moneypantry.com site is that an extensive parcel of the users there generally like through-and-through associates, so assuming this is the very thing you expected to make would mean more money. Posts should be no less than 700 words, yet they can get up to 1,000 to 2,000 words. Payment for the content is delivered to you through PayPal when the content goes live on the Money Pantry website. Before we go any further, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Consistent likes and subscriptions motivate us to create excellent content like this for you. Anyways, with that out of the way, let's get further. Now it's time for a bonus tip. We'd like you to go to Quora.com to get started with it. This will be the primary source of information for all the articles that you're going to be writing. All you have to do is set up a free account using your Gmail or Facebook address, and you will be good to go. Though not creating an account won't do any harm either, it is recommended to have one. Here you will be able to research all the information you need for specific articles. Just click on the search tab, enter the keyword, and results will show up. You can even copy content from here, though just make sure to paraphrase it using the Spinbot application, a link to which will be given down in the description. This tool will rewrite the copied content to prevent any copyright issues. Now let's discuss another website that can pay you money for writing articles for them. It's called listverse.com. Writing for this site is another wonderful way of making money. In this case, you'll be writing list-type articles. They can pay you up to $100. To get started, head to their website by following the link in the description below. Here you will see the rules for writing, which are pretty simple. Here you will be writing the top 10 list types of articles. This can include top 10 ways to make money, top 10 ways to lose weight, top 10 ways to make friends, etc. To earn money on this site, all you have to do is register an account for free. Write as many articles you want and earn as much money as you like. Again, the information for them can be found on Quora, so make sure to keep that in mind. So, this is how you can make $2,973 just by searching Google. All the links discussed in this video are given down in the description so that you can access them from there. Let us know your thoughts on this video in the comment section below, and stay tuned for more awesome videos like this posted now and then. Thanks for watching!